And now we have to try what tastes like. I taste it. Oh my god, so beautiful. I can't wait to eat it. Hi guys, welcome to Som Thai Cooking. You know what? Today I'm gonna cook beef Panang curry. So easy and delicious. Just 5 ingredients already I use, but the main thing you have to find this one, Panang curry plate, this brand, because they add every ingredient in. It's so easy. But my recipe, I just have cauliflower, add it in, coconuts, beef, sugar, fish sauce, and that's it. So easy. You guys can make it at home. And this one serve for 6 people, but today I just do serve for 3 people. We have a trick how to make the meat tender and soft while we have in the soup. The way we cut quite thin, slice and quite thin like this. I hold like this. The heat is not too high, and then oil in. I use about 2 tablespoons, and then I add Panang Curry in, and we stir until, and see the heat is hot. They start to splashing. Be careful, don't hurt yourself. Add the coconut cream in. Actually, I use coconut cream because it's quite thicker. We use about 2 or 3 spoons first. I prefer you buy coconut cream because they're quite thicker. And if you buy coconut milk, the water is running. And we can add water after. So the way I'm cooking, you can see the color. And when it starts to be bubble like this, we add the beef in. Add the beef in. And let it cook. I add more coconut milk because they're quite thick. Can you see that? Add more in. Stir. The heat quite the middle, not too low. We're gonna cook for 15 minutes. So easy, isn't it? And you see this? You can cook it at home. It's by your own. It's so easy, delicious food. Super yummy. I'm gonna add my ingredient in below in the box, and I want to show you guys how amount exactly what I use, and you can see under there. And you see the cook already. I'm gonna add kaffir leaf in. You see that one? To sprinkle on the top, and fish sauce. I fish sauce in about 2-3 tablespoons, and sugar. And now we have to try what it tastes like. I taste it. Oh my god, so beautiful. I can't wait to eat it. Now we're ready to serve. Do our decoration, and then we add beef Panang curry in the size. It's done. I gonna try our beef Panang curry. Gonna see what tastes like. I can't wait to eat it. Smells so beautiful. Oh wow, so delicious. It's perfectly how to make it. You make at home for your friend or your family or for yourself. This one for 2 or 3 serves, actually for 3 serves. But all the can I show you, this one for 6 serves. You just add the taste what you like and so easy. Thank you for watching my video. See you next clip and please subscribe for me if you like it. Bye.